Bust it.
I want a red and green gumball. No, I want them. Fine, we'll just have to randomly draw. Fine. What is the probability that I would draw a red and a green? There's one red gumball, one green, two blue, two oranges, and one purple. So what is the chances without replacement? There's a 1/7 chance that I would draw a red, then a 1/6 chance that I would pick a green. So then then multiply the two, top by the top and bottom by the bottom, and I will get my answer, which is 1/42. So the probability of choosing a red gumball then a green without replacement is 1/42. What is the probability that I would pick a red then a green with replacement? So there is 1 out of 7 chances that I would pick a red, then 1 out of 7 chances I would pick a green. Then multiply the top by the top and the bottom by the bottom, and I will get my answer, which is 1 out of 49. So the probability of choosing a red gumball, then a green gumball with replacement is 1 out of 49. Scatter plots are an easy way to graph a lot of information. We are going to use the example of Sasha is saving up to go to St. Pierre with their school. Here is a table to show the information. To make a scatter plot, you simply need to draw a y and an x-axis. Then place your independent variable, weeks, on the y-axis. Then place your dependent variable, amount saved, on the x-axis. You should now have this. Now you place the points on. Align the dot with the correct week and amount saved. You should now have this. To draw your line of best fit, you take a ruler and try to pass through as many points as you can, still making sure that there is about the same number of points on each side. After your line is drawn, you can decide whether if the correlation is weak positive, strong positive, weak negative, or strong negative, or neither. In this case, it's strong positive. Many stores match the real prices of items to make sure consumers buy at their store. We took household items from each Sobeys and Dominion and compared prices, then showed how the store with higher prices can represent their graph to make it seem like consumers were saving. We bought detergent, cookies, apples, strawberries, milk, and cereal. Altogether, Dominion was cheaper, so we helped Sobeys out by making the graph to falsely advertise their groceries, and made a graph for Dominion, making it seem like the groceries were more expensive.
When I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag.
We made Sobeys line green, and when people think of green, they think of money. We also made the line go down, which automatically makes people think they're saving. For Dominion, we made the line red, which makes people think of losing money. We also made the line go up to make it seem like consumers were paying more. We made the scale smaller to make the line steeper. Oh my god, I overslept. I'm going to be late for school. This is an example of a dependent event. She overslept, which caused her to be late for school. One event depended on the other. Nice. Wow. Now to the residents. Are you serious? I want a trip to Florida? Wow! Thanks! This is an example of an independent event. She drew an ace, then won a trip to Florida. One event had nothing to do with another. If we were playing with a pack of 52 cards and 13 in each suit, what is the probability of picking a 2? Well, there are 4 2s in a pack, so that means there is a 4 out of 52 chances that you could pick a 2. But don't forget to reduce to 1/13. What are the chances of picking an ace and then a queen with replacement? There's a 4 out of 52 chance of picking an ace, and then a 4 out of 52 chance of picking a queen. So reduce to 1/13 times 1/13, which equals 1/169. So the probability of picking an ace, then a queen with replacement is 1/169. What is the probability of picking a 10, then a king without replacement? There is a 4 out of 52 chances of picking a 10, and then a 4 out of 51 chances of picking a king. Reduce and then multiply, and you will get 4 out of 663. So the probability of picking a 10, then a king without replacement is 4 out of 663.
Just a small town girl, living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere.
Just to see born and raised in South Detroit. He took the midnight train going anywhere.
Oh my god, I'm gonna be late for school.